Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the final Glossybox unboxing. I know that I don't have, well, currently filming this video, I don't have my October or November Glossybox unboxings up. I do plan on putting those up before this video though, even though they're like months and months late. But that's fine, it's whatever. I just finally got my free Glossybox. Before I cancel my subscription, you could earn Glossydots for reviewing the products that you got in your box each month and then reviewing the box as a whole. And then once you got like 1,000 Glossydots, you could redeem it for a free box, but it was only good towards like the monthly box itself. So you couldn't redeem it for like one of their special boxes that they would put together. Anyway, I finally have my December Glossybox that I use my Glossydots points to get it. So technically this is my free box. So let's unbox it. So this is what the box looks like. It says cheers in like a black ribbon font and has little gold dots on it. Super cute, very holiday themed. On the back you have two little like champagne glasses clinking together. That's super cute. I didn't notice that earlier. So this is just the December Glossybox, just like any other monthly. It's not a special box at all. This is my little info card. I did already look at this. I know what products are in here because I got it like basically 2 months late. And something I want to point out, I don't know if this is because I redeemed points or because they mailed it to me later, I don't know. But finally, on the very last box that I didn't even pay for, that sticker right there is pretty dang near the center of the tissue paper. Why can't you do this for all the boxes? I understand you're probably trying to be fast and efficient when packing these boxes. Like, I know that it's a person putting the sticker on here. So, I'm just going to go through the products and then I'm going to tell you how I feel about each one. So this first, something in here smells fantastic, though, like flowers. This is the Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick in the shade Ethereal. I don't tend to use highlighting things that are balmy or liquid. Oh, I just touched my nose. This is what it looks like. It's a little chubby stick, easy illuminating stick. I guess you just like swipe this across your face. Also, it's really pink. It looks more like a blush right now than a highlighting stick. Oh no, that is highlighting. Wow! That looks completely different than what it looks like in the container. I don't know if you can see that. I'll do a close-up. It's like a rosy, goldy, peachy color instead of like this pink tone. So that's cool. Everything in this box is full size, which, you know, I guess that's because they're in the festive Christmas giving spirit. So the Laura Geller Balm. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited to give that illuminating stick a go. Next in here we have the brand Beauty for Real, and this is a 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Platinum Blonde. Oh, it's like a silver. Ooh, it's very soft and a little bit crumbly. There's the silver. Oh, you can see that really well. It's pretty. I don't know that I need a silver eyeliner. It probably would have been nice around Christmas time. This is full size and retails for $14.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
What? She's just trying to talk to me. I didn't even say your name. What else do we have? We have, maybe this is what's smelling so good. We have a face mask from Unani. Unani? 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 I don't know. It's called the Dermo Defense Face Mask. This says the holiday season and all of its associated festivities can make your skin look tired and dull. Hydrating and protecting the skin is exactly what the Dermo Defense face mask promises to do. Combining aloe and Ayurvedic, I don't know this word. Ayurvedic herbs. Your face will thank you with a glowing visage. This is what smells so good. So it's like a gel mask. So I mean it peels off. Because I love those. Use 1 or 2 times a week. Apply evenly to a cleansed face. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse off with abundant water. Finish by applying toner, spray, or on a cotton pad to the entire face. It is recommended for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but that's fine. This product is not tested on animals. That's cool. So it looks like it will be okay. It is very perfumey though. Oh my gosh, there's a squirrel. There's a squirrel in my yard. Like it's super strong. So, oh, where did he go? Okay. Next, I'm gonna do this one because it's the smaller thing. We have, this very inconspicuous white box that says makeup drop. But I know what it is. I don't know why it needed to come in that. The makeup drop, which is a silicone makeup applicator. I saw when these were got super popular on Instagram and YouTube and people were trying them. Some people love them, some people hate them. I kind of noticed that a lot of YouTubers were using it incorrectly or not in the suggested way. I can't even remember the first brand. I think it was an indie brand that kind of came up with this concept. But what they said to do was kind of use this to move it around your face. I mean, just kind of blend it in, whatever. And then to pick up any excess, which seems weird because this is so you don't waste product. But this doesn't really press it into your skin. It kind of rubs it around. They suggested using a beauty blender to kind of just go over and blend everything in, push it into your skin, whatever. This says to use soft dabbing motions and blend makeup onto the skin and apply your product directly to the sponge or directly to the applicator. So I haven't tried one of these yet. I've been wanting to try one, so I'm glad I was sent one and didn't have to purchase one. This is a full-size product, and it is $20. So I don't even buy the Real Techniques beauty blenders. Or, I'm sorry. I don't buy the beauty blenders. I buy Real Techniques sponges, and they're like $5, $6. So I would definitely not spend $20 on a silicone sponge or silicone applicator. I hate it when people call them sponges because they're clearly not sponges. They're applicators because they're made out of silicone. Alright, and the last product, which is also the largest product, is the brand Show Beauty. And this is a grooming balm. My little sticker is not even stuck down anymore. This says, bye-bye split ends, frizzy flaws, and flyaways. Show Beauty's rich grooming balm conditions your hair for a smooth, soft finish with long-lasting shine without that greasy feeling. Oh my. Can this be a lotion instead? Because it's beautiful. So this is what the grooming balm looks like. This is quite large. It's 5 fluid ounces. It's really pretty. This says, this sublime moisture-rich balm calms and controls fine hair to maintain an immaculately smooth and sophisticated look. Its weightless texture leaves hair free from product buildup and full of shine. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair from mid-length to tips, so you don't put this on your roots. For a shiny, weightless look, use before spraying Premier Finishing Spray throughout on dry hair. Alright, so I don't use a whole lot of hair products. Oh, it's a screw. What? No, it's supposed to be a pump. Oh, my pump wasn't on. I was so confused. So, I don't use a whole lot of different hair products. This is very weighty. This little, oh, it's a butterfly. That's cute. I don't know. I guess I'll put some on my hair. It smells nice. I don't know. I guess I'll use it sometimes. I probably really, to be honest, I'm probably hardly ever going to use this. So, I have a sister who is a hairdresser. I might pass this on to her to use at the salon or on clients. Or I might give it to my own hairdresser and say, hey, here you go, Merry Christmas. Because I just don't use products like this. That's just not my thing. So yeah, that is the last product in my Glossybox. This is 5 fluid ounces, like I said, and retails for $45. So that was everything in December's Glossybox. Overall, I'm not too excited about it, to be honest. I don't use silver eyeliner that often. This would have been good for like New Year's or something, but that's about the only time I'll ever use this, probably. I will use the face mask. It's really strong perfume though, so I'll give it a try, and then if I don't like it, I'm just going to pass it on. I will probably try the Laura Geller illuminating stick. It actually turned out really pretty when I swatched it, but I don't use balmy products like that very often. The grooming balm, I never use products like that, so that is something I will probably pass along to someone else. And the makeup drop, this is something I've been wanting to try, the silicone applicator. So I am kind of excited to give this a try, but it's not something I'm going to use every day to apply my makeup. I'll probably use it in a video just to test it out, and then that'll probably be the end of it. Unless it's like game changing and I absolutely love it, which I don't see that happening. So to me, this box was a flop, because whenever I signed up for Glossybox, or whenever I thought about signing up for a monthly subscription box, I wanted makeup. I wanted makeup products that I wouldn't normally purchase myself, or things that I didn't even know existed. So like getting products from brands that I haven't heard of, I'm okay with that, but I wanted makeup. So I'm kind of bummed. I was hoping for a better experience for Glossybox. I actually plan on doing like a full review of my Glossybox experience. We'll go through the boxes. I'll go through my products that were my favorites that I was really excited to have, and then I'll probably also talk about the products that I just was confused. Like, why did you put this in here? I don't understand. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though I didn't enjoy this Glossybox very much. But if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I did unsubscribe from Glossybox, so I will not be doing any more Glossybox unboxings. If you would like me to try another subscription box, you can leave that down below as a suggestion. I have thought about doing a BoxyCharm as my next beauty subscription, but I haven't signed up for that yet, so I don't know if that's going to happen or not. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave today. And thanks for just coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. So that's the end of the video. Alright guys, I'm going to go. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh, it peeled off really nicely. I'm just going to wear that for the rest of this video, and then cover it up with my hair. I know that if I stick this back in here, it's going to shove up into the lid. It's really cute though, and it smells good. Good? It smells good, which is great and good mixed together. Get it together. Finish this video. So, oh,